We are aware of many accidents that are happening around the world and many people losing their lives in the accidents. In these days, lives have become more accidents prone rather than sophisticated. We may not prevent all those accidents, but we can reduce the potentiality of the threats by detecting them as early as possible. We, the student of Svecw Engineering College for Women, working on a project called Intelligent Home Security System for TI India Analog Design Contest 2012 and 13, under the guidance of Mr. S. Hanumantrao. We, the student of Svecw Engineering College for Women, working on a project called Intelligent Home Security System for TI India Analog Design Contest 2012 and 13, under the guidance of Mr. S. Hanumantrao. Our project has two applications. One is smoke detection to prevent loss of lives in fire accidents. Other application is glass break detection for the prevention of thefts in houses and museums by detecting breakage of glass. Next, we will see setup. To implement our project, we have used MSB 430 Launchpad along with the microcontroller MSB 430F2012. And to develop antenna for wireless transmission, we are using Ihss 430 RF2500 wireless development tool. As we said earlier, our project has two applications. These are the blocks for those two applications. And the smoke chamber consists of an IR transmitter and IR receiver. Breakage detection unit consists of a microphone. Amplifier section amplifies the input for the two input chambers. We are using INA 126P instructional. We have implemented our two applications of the project individually on the breadboard. Coming to smoke detector working, whenever the smoke is present, then the IR transmitter will transmit the information to IR receiver, which is connected to the instrumentational amplifier. The output of the operational amplifier is given to the microcontroller 6th pin as input, and reference voltage is given to 7th pin as input. When the smoke is detected, then the output pin of the microcontroller will be pulled up as the indication of the smoke LED which is connected to the second pin of microcontroller will glow. Fourth pin of microcontroller is connected to the buzzer driving circuit which blows the buzzer when smoke is present. Coming to glass break detector, the working is same as smoke detector. Whenever the input is detected by microphone, LED glows and buzzer blows. The flowchart of our project is shown here. As we said earlier, our project has two applications. These are the blocks for those two applications. And the smoke chamber consists of an IR transmitter and IR receiver. Breakage detection unit consists of a microphone. Amplifier section amplifies the input for the two input chambers. We are using INA 126P instructional. Amplifier section amplifies the input from the two input chambers. We are using INA 126P instrumentational amplifier for amplification purpose. After the detection of input, microcontroller converts analog input to digital samples and also transmits them to a transceiver. Another important function of microcontroller is to drive a buzzer and an LED when the input is detected. To drive a buzzer, we are using a ULN2803AN IC and LM324. Coming to the conclusion, we thought of implementing wireless smoke and breakage detectors in a single module. But we are facing problem in interfacing the two inputs at a time to the microcontroller. So we developed two individual wide circuits. Now we are working on transmission code as we are not that familiar with the antenna development tool and software. we are facing some difficulties in simulating the code. So we haven't developed the complete wireless detection system, but we somehow succeeded in developing wide circuits.
A sincere thanks to Sri K.V. Vishnuraju, Chairman, Sri Ravichandran Rajgopal, Vice Chairman, Sri Vishnu Educational Society, and Dr. G. Srinivas Rao, Principal, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Dr. P. Srinivas Raju, Vice Principal, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. We thank our mentor, Professor S. Hanumantrao, HOD, EC Department, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, for his great support throughout the project. We thank Dr. C.P. Ravikumar, Director, University Relations, Texas Instruments, India, for giving opportunity to participate in the contest. We thank Mr. Sagar Juneja, Coordinator, Texas Instruments, for providing templates in executing the report and other necessary things for the project.